So most of the Truelove family were available to help our son Dominic and his lovely wife Sarah to move from one lovely house location, which
Wait, stop. Yeah, no, you got to introduce yourself. Ian.
Okay. Oh, you didn't say that.
I did say that. What? No,
Oh, okay. Okay.
no, I said, look, I'm going to sit there.
This is...
No, hold on. No, look.
No, listen to me. This is Ian.
I know.
Jean Truelove Quilts for You.
I know, but people are saying how mean I was, sort of, and I wasn't in your video, and they want to see me in your video. But
You're
then
going to come and sit next to me as I talk.
well, just for the beginning, and then when you talk, because the curtain right there is where I put the pictures up. Now these are the pictures of this one here.
When you come and sit and I'm talking, by all means do give me some direction. I'll say thanks. Yeah. All right?
Yeah. So this is what you're reading. Okay, I'll come and...
Oh, what is this?
This is the... I gotta be nice. This is the next sewing room that you're gonna do.
Yeah, but I read this after explaining what we did the weekend.
Yeah, because people are concerned. Hold on.
I say about the weekend to begin with.
Okay.
I'm not gonna try and do this without my glasses.
No, and oh, hold on.
Ah, that's better.
Because I put a necklace on. Should I turn the light on?
No.
No. Okay.
Are we on?
We're on.
Oh, this is Ian Truelove of Jean Truelove Quilts for You, and here's my lovely Jean Truelove. A little bit of background information. The weekend on Saturday, most of the Trueloves were available to help son number 4 and his lovely wife to move from one location to another. And Dom and Sarah, I think, were really blown away, overjoyed how swiftly and efficiently the Trueloves, who down through the decades have been the movers for friends and family, these big strong boys, what a credit to us they are, Jean.
Yeah.
And some of their wives as well managed to make it there with their trucks and their trailers. Our lovely old trailer that you bought me 25 years ago or something is still going strong and has been extremely helpful. So we spent most of the day on Saturday, and I went back there yesterday because the restored house, after being semi-destroyed by the hurricane, the tornado, and then the flood that came in that storm of September the 1st, 2021. Wow. Has now been raised, what is it, 12, 13 feet in the air, and a story underneath of
They know that.
block work, etc. has been built underneath. They already know that. Word from them, I directive.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Yes,
the reason I'm sitting here...
I love it.
No.
I love
Well,
to
a
get
lot of people
some...
didn't, because a lot of people were like, just let Ian do his thing, and that's why I'm sitting here quiet. But they already knew that. That was the last video. You're going over what we're going to be doing now.
You're looking really good.
Oh, don't do it in your hands. Do it in your...
Pardon me.
Yeah. Oh,
Do it on your
gross.
sleeve.
Do it on your sleeve.
Oh, I do have a
a
tear issue here.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry about that.
Sorry.
Life happens.
Life. What was I going to say? So, this is your video for showcasing people's sewing rooms.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Some wonderful
Yeah.
photographs.
Yes.
Designs, living, sewing rooms.
This is another one.
I hope
Ian,
there's lots more.
Yeah, there's about 7 or 8 more who've come. This is from Belinda. I'm going to be going around the other side of the camera. I just wanted to say hello because, no, I have a reason. Because I'm going to put the pictures up on this white curtain here, and it makes a lot of sense. You hide your face and move up and speak up, because you speak very slow.
Oh, I have
you speak
such
very
a soft voice.
You do have a soft voice.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Well, okay, I gotta go. Okay, and I'm nice, and you like me. You really.
I really like you.
And I'm not he's not henpecked, and I'm not a bully. Am I?
No. Am I a bully?
Yes.
We bully each other, but we love each other some of the time.
Some of the time.
All the time.
43 years.
Oh, wow.
Oh. Anyway, that's lovely. Okay, I'm going to go, and then you do Belinda's. Okay.
Belinda's. I'm going to get my glasses on because I can just about see it, but I don't want to be squinting.
Yes.
Okay, so
Okay, go.
Belinda writes, "Hi Jean, I love watching your videos and your family stories. You're so easy to learn from. I started learning mostly from you and maybe one or two others by watching all the videos. Some more than once, for sure, about 5 or 6 years ago at a little desk in my bedroom. Now the 7 family members have at last moved out and I've claimed a 13-foot by 13-foot bedroom with a decent closet as my sewing room. I have attached a few random pictures of my space that's evolving all the time. My ironing station, jazz machine table and my 4 by 6 cutting and layout table are all built by my son and hubby. The big table is just 4 bookshelves with a sheet of plywood sitting on top and painted. I also have my table with my brother sewing machine that I'm still quilting on, as I have issues with this jazz too that I'm still trying to figure out, laugh out loud. There is one picture of my big table with a Scrabble quilt I learned how to make and where to get the fabric from you. It works for me. Thanks for all you do and all you've taught me. I have a long way to go, but enjoying the family, or the journey as well. Enjoying the family, the journey. Love, Belinda." That's it. What a nice, wow, it's a lovely email. Phenomenal.
Okay, and I've put the pictures up, and it's really a nice sewing area. Really nice. So,
Well done, Belinda.
yeah, you've done well. Okay, thank you. The main thing is people wanted to know if you worked too hard yesterday and Saturday. We're filming this on the 4th of December, and you worked really hard. The video that I have put up showed that you were really grafting there, holing, and you're not young. You're not. You're old.
Older.
Yeah, I know.
That's what my dad always
I
used
know.
to say.
Oh, dear old
Right
Frank.
up until
He died. He's like, I'm
he
only
said,
older.
I'm not old.
Yeah.
I'm just older.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt good. I wouldn't have moved
Yes.
as well and as quickly keeping up with everybody unless I was feeling pretty good. In fact, on Saturday night I thought to myself, Dominic and Sarah, they're in the restored house now, raised up in the air, which no doubt you've seen pictures of. I'm sure Jean has posted some. It's the original house where we lived for nearly 2 years, and but in the jacking process, in the raising process, of course the wood frame would move slightly, so all of the doors were binding and needed easing, adjusting, and I'm pretty good at doing that. And so now all the doors latch, they don't bind, open and close easily. There's gaps underneath because it's forced air heating there, and if you've got air coming into a room like this room, say if there was forced air here, but there isn't, which I'm glad about. If you have forced air heating being pushed, heating and cooling that is, being pushed into a particular room, unless you've got a gap underneath the door, you have resistance to circulation. So I made sure all of the doors had gaps underneath, and the heating and cooling system will work far more efficiently. Just little things like that.
I've never heard of that.
Made a big thing. No, you never heard it?
No. I would think you wouldn't want a gap under your door.
inside the building envelope with all the different rooms, if you've got a forced air recirculating system, wherever you put air into one room, you must allow it to go out of the room as well, to circulate back to the air handler, which either heats or cools depending on summer or winter.
Okay.
Otherwise you don't get circulation. You'll get at night time if you have a door closed in a bedroom and it's trying to bring air into the room. If the door's closed and there's no real gaps, you don't have hardly any circulation. In fact, in the winter time the room would get cold because you can't get any warmed air coming in. And the same in summertime.
Okay, that's interesting.
Another useless bit of engineering information.
Oh, you do go on.
Was I speaking loud enough?
Yes, you are. You were speaking loud enough. And it was so fascinating. I'm just like blown away.
It's great having so many friends out there.
I know, it's lovely.
It's not the airwaves nowadays. When I was young, it was the airwaves. Now we have the, what would you call them?
The internet.
The video
Yeah, the video
waves.
capacity.
Yeah, on the internet.
Yeah, all right.
Okay, love you all.
Thank
Bye-bye.
you very much, Ian. I really appreciate it. Bye.